Larry here from MarineMax in Jacksonville, and today we're going to take a look at this beautiful Grady-White Canyon 271, which is a 2026 brand new boat, just arrived. It's loaded with features. We're going to go through this boat from bow to stern and show you what amazing creature comforts and technology it has. Starting with our power, we've got twin Yamaha 300 horsepower engines with the integrated digital electric steering. No more hydraulic fluid, no more steering pumps to fail. Everything is integrated on the motor. And they're also custom painted to match the interior of the boat. Nice seamless color transition. At the transom, we've got a nice fish box here that's fully insulated. You could use it as dry storage. Obviously a fish box, a cooler. It hoses right out. There's no macerator pumps. Nice and clean. You've got a really cool freshwater shower that pulls out here at the transom. Great for washing off when you come inside the boat. And on the port side, we've got one of two live wells on this boat, which is great for live bait fishing here in Northeast Florida. They're also fully insulated and lit inside, so you can use them as coolers on those days at the sandbar. We've got a really neat flushing system on the engines right here. So if your boat's kept in the lift or kept in the water, you don't have to go out on the transom to flush your engines. Quick connect hose connections right here, flush them right out. Really fantastic, and it's featured on every Grady-White model. You've got an awesome dive door. Makes boarding easier if you're pulling in that 80-pound wahoo. Slide them right in through this door right here. And then we're going to take a look at this leaning post and helm station, which is loaded with some neat features, like another freshwater washdown. So we've got one here at the console as well. We've got a second live well, which is also fully insulated. They're really big and they're also lit. Of course, you've got a tackle prep station, tackle storage drawers, and tackle boxes built into this boat. And as we come around, you've got a raw water connection down here on the port side of the leaning post, and then this roomy helm. This is what we're going to take a look at. You've got really nice seats that adjust forward and aft. They've got flip-up bolsters. They've got really nice armrests. This is a really comfortable boat. I'm a big guy, and as you can see, I've got plenty of room behind the helm. Everything is at my fingertips. We've got twin Garmin 8612s on the dash. VHF handset here with a speaker on the dash. As you can see, we got a phone charger, your Yamaha gauges, all your switches, stereo controls, and the really cool feature, the full maneuverability package from Yamaha, which is the joystick piloting. Also includes drift point, stay point, and fish point. Really cool fishing features that utilize the engines. Also has a built-in autopilot, also right here at your fingertips. This boat is just absolutely loaded with technology. You've got a full wraparound windshield with a windshield washer that uses the freshwater system to clean off the windshield. How convenient is that? As we move on up to the bow, you see we've got some really comfortable seating up here. Twin insulated fish boxes that drain overboard on the port and starboard side. And we've also got a windlass up at the front and this neat section here that lifts up so you can easily access the bow, tie up the boat, deal with your anchor. You got windlass controls up here and on the dash. Super convenient, easy to use, and it's absolutely rugged and built really well. Let's take one look at the head compartment here. Something on a 27-foot boat, when you have a full marine head with tons of space, easily stand up in there, lots of storage, access to your electronics. Great feature for the family. If you'd like to take a sea trial on this boat, give me a call at 904-545-5310. Thank you.